Good morning, children. So this period, we are going to do questions, extra questions from the chapter probability. Okay, so previous year's questions, important questions and all we are going to discuss. Okay, write the heading as probability. Okay, one important case study from this question is, listen, important case study question is like this. Okay, imagine a jungle. Imagine a jungle which is in the shape of rectangle. Okay, sometimes the shape they can vary. The shape will change. Okay, here in this case study question, it is given like this. Okay, it's a big paragraph based question with the picture. So only the concept you have to understand it. Okay, here it is given like this. It is a jungle which is in the shape of a rectangle and whose dimensions are given. Whose dimensions are given like this: 25 kilometers with 20 kilometers. It is a jungle. And there is a lake inside it whose diameter is 10 kilometers. Its diameter is 10 kilometers. Okay, listen to this question. Okay, the question is like this. Okay, there is a jungle whose dimensions are given. The jungle is in the shape of rectangle. Inside the jungle, you can see one lake. The shape is a circle whose radius is given as 10 centimeter. Whose radius is given as 10 centimeter. Okay, now a helicopter is reported to be missing. A helicopter is reported to be missing. Okay, and while checking, they came to understand the last minute of flying was over this jungle. The helicopter was flying over the jungle. After that, it is not seen. Okay, the question is, what is the probability that the missing helicopter is seen in the lake? What is the probability that the missing helicopter was seen in the lake, will be in the lake? The question, is it clear? Is it clear, children? Huh?
Should we write it?
No need to write it, just the rough figure you wrote it, write it. Okay, I'll give only the main points. I'll give only the main points. Okay. The question concept, is it clear? It's a paragraph based question. If you write the paragraph whole, you'll be writing for half an hour for writing. Okay, only the main points I will give. Up to this concept, is it clear? There is a jungle which is in the shape of rectangle. Its dimensions are given. Inside the jungle, you can see a lake. It is in the shape of circle. A helicopter was flying over the jungle. Suddenly it missed. What is the probability that missing helicopter was inside the lake? Okay, so only that point you have to write down. A missing helicopter. A missing helicopter is reported. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region. Somewhere in the rectangular region. The missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region shown in the figure. Shown in the figure. Okay, draw this figure.
Ma'am, can you repeat those?
A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region. Is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region. The missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region. What is the probability? What is the probability? What is the probability? It crashed inside the lake. What is the probability? It crashed inside the lake. What is the probability? It crashed inside the lake. How will you do this? What will be the answer? What is the probability? It crashed inside the lake. Can you give the answer?
An area.
Probability that, yes, tell me. Yes.
The ratio area of the lake and
Area, helicopter is crashed inside the lake is, yes. Lake means, look at the shape. What is the shape here?
Circle.
Circle. So it will be same as area of the circle by
Area of the rectangle.
area of the rectangle. Okay. Possible area by total area. That is what you have to consider. Possibility by total. Here possibility means it is within the area of the circle, area of the lake. Circle means here it is lake. By rectangle means it is the jungle. Pi, if it is not given, you can put 22 by 7. Okay, so that is equivalent to. That is equivalent to area of the circle. It is pi r square by area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Pi here it is given as 3.14 children. It is 3.14 into radius is 10 into 10 by length into breadth. 25 into 20 by 25 into 20. We'll simplify this, we'll get the answer. Yes, Ashik.
251.2.
251.2. 0. This is 5. Again, this is 5. So 3.14 by 5. Is that no? Is it correct like this or not? Ashik, check your value. Some mistake is there. Three 3.14 into 5 by 5. Into 5 and all will get cancelled. Fia, what is the answer, Fia?
ma'am, I am doing.
Ah,
Ma'am, we should make it decimal.
here we will get in decimal only, isn't it?
3.4.
Or if in fraction, okay, it is based on the answer given in the option here. Here it is given in decimal. Final answer is given in decimal. So you convert this in decimal. It is 3.14 by 5. What you can do, if you multiply by 2, it will become, okay, here, this is how I will do the calculation. 5 into 2, it will become 10. Okay, denominator will become 10. Instead of doing division, is it like this? So is it by 10 means 0.628. What I did here, denominator is 5. So I multiplied by 1, 2. Numerator and denominator are multiplied by 2. 6.28 by 10. 10 means 0.628. Is it correct? Instead of doing division like this. Okay, that is. Or you have to do the division. You can divide and you can find the answer. Finished? Write the next one. Write the next question.
Show the board. Can you show? Yes.
Okay, write the next one. Write the next question. A box contains 12 balls. A box contains 12 balls, out of which X are black. A box contains 12 balls. A box contains 12 balls, out of which X are black. Out of which X are black. If one ball is drawn at random, if one ball is drawn at random from the box, a box contains 12 balls. A box contains 12 balls, out of which a box contains 12 balls, out of which X are black. The ball contains 12 balls, out of which X are black. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, if one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability it will be black? What is the probability it will be black? What is the answer? What is the probability that it will be black?
X by 2.
Yes, yes, correct. Probability of getting the black ball. The first part it is asked probability of getting black. It is X by 12 because there are total balls. Total balls is 12. Black balls is X. Now, okay, this question's continuation. Second part. Write the second part. Write the second part. If 6 more black balls were added, if 6 more black balls were added in the box, if 6 more black balls were added in the box, 6 more black balls were added in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball, the probability of drawing a black ball is the probability of drawing a black ball if six more black balls were put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now the double of the before. The probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. Is now double of what it was before. Find x. Find x. If 6 more black balls are put into the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. Find x. So what is given here? We put
2x by 2.
So what will be the total balls? Now already we have total 12 balls, isn't it? Total 12 balls. There are x black balls were there. So now what is in the second step? What is given? We add 6 more black balls. So what will be the total ball in the second step?
18.
18. Yes, total is 18. And what about the number of black balls?
6x.
6x.
No. X plus 6.
X plus 6. Okay, so now in the second case, what is the probability of selecting a black ball? So number of black balls by 18. Now what is given? The ball, selecting a black ball in this case is double. Double means twice the probability earlier. It is double. Is or no? It is given as it is double. So now if you cancel this one will become 6. Again, if you cancel, it is 3. So x plus 6 is equal to 3x. Therefore, from here, what is x?
Let me see 3.
X is 3. So number of black balls is, yes.
Ma'am, can you explain that last step also?
So here, which part here? We are cancelling it. X plus 6 by 18. Okay, it is given probability of getting a black ball is twice the probability of selecting the black ball earlier. So what I did, instead of cross multiplying and all, 2 and 12 can you cancel? And the denominator 6 and 18 if you cancel, get 3. So we get x plus 6 is equal to 3x. From there, what is x? Now write the next one. Next one. Next question. A jar contains 24 marbles. Next one. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and some are blue. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and some are blue. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and some are blue. A marble is drawn at random. A marble is drawn at random. A marble is drawn at random. A marble is drawn at random and it is found to be green. And is found to be green.
Can you explain the question again?
A jar contains 24 marbles. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and some are blue. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and some are blue. One marble is drawn at random and found to be green. One marble is drawn at random and found to be green. And found to be green. And its probability is 2 by 3. And its probability is 2 by 3. Find the number of blue balls. Find the number of blue balls.
Its probability is.
And its probability is 2 by 3. Its probability is 2 by 3. Find the number of blue balls. Find the number of blue balls. So here total balls are given, isn't it? So what is given here? Total number of balls is 24. Total balls are 24. And what is given? Some are green and some are blue. And probability of taking a green ball is given as 2 by 3. It is given probability of selecting a green ball is 2 by 3. We are asked to find number of blue balls. We are asked to find number of blue balls. Try this. What is the number of blue balls? Yes, what is the answer? 8. How you'll get the answer? Tell me. Yes. Try.
2 by 3 of 24 is equal to 16.
2 by 3 of 24 is 16. Okay. So you are finding green is 2 by 3. Very good. So this is number of green balls, isn't it?
How we will get 6?
2 by 3 of 24. Simplify this. How will you? Total number of balls is given as 24. And what about the green? It is given as 2 by 3. So when you simplify this, 8 3s are 24. 8 into 2, it is 16. So number of green balls is 16. So it will be number of blue balls. Number of blue balls will be total minus 16, which will be 8. Total minus 16, which is equivalent to 8. Number of blue balls is 24 minus 16, which is equivalent to 8. Is it okay, Aditi? Haya? Yes, have you?
Ball can.
These questions are all previous year's questions. Okay. Okay, write the next case study question. Case study means, listen children, one paragraph will be given. From that paragraph, okay, based on the paragraph, 5 questions will be there. Okay, so next is a case study question. Write the case study. A die is numbered. A die is numbered with the numbers. A die is numbered with the numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. The die is numbered with the numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. It is thrown 2 times. 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 And the total score in each throw is noted. And the total score in 2 throws is noted. And the total score in 2 scores, sorry, total scores in 2 throws is noted. You throw it 2 times and you check what is the total. Okay. And the total score in 2 throws is noted. Now answer these questions. Answer the following. First one. First one is total number of outcome. Second one. Second one, probability of getting. Probability of getting an even score. Probability of getting even score. Third one, probability of getting some. Probability of getting some 12. Probability of getting some 6. Fifth one, probability of getting some at least 6. Probability of getting some at least 6. Try this one. Okay, try this one. Okay, I'll mark your attention. Yes. Tell me, what is the answer? What is the total outcome? What is the total outcome? What is the total outcome? Yes, John. Total outcome is one die with 6 numbers. You throw it 2 times. What is the total outcome? John. Okay. Melvin.
36.
Yes, correct. It is 36. Now, next one. What is the probability of getting an even score? What is the probability of getting an even score?
Ma'am, score means
What is given in the beginning? A total score. Okay, 2 dice are thrown and the total score in 2 throws is noted. What is meant by score? What is shown in the die? You add up. What is the number shown there? That is what we call it a score.
I mean, first one, how we get 36?
2 dice are thrown means how many outcomes? In one die, what are the outcomes? one die, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. Is or no? Earlier we have discussed one die. Okay. 2 dice are thrown means what are the outcomes? 1, 2, 2. Like this we have learned. This 6. So we get 1. Yes.
In the question, a die is thrown 2 times, right? Two
Yes.
dice are given.
2 times. A die is thrown 2 times. A die is numbered with 1, 2, 2, etc. It is thrown 2 times. Yes. 2 times we throw it. 2
But
times
this is
throw.
a 2 dice, right?
Yes. A die. Repeat it.
And that 36 is for throwing 2 dice, right? Here only
One die is thrown 2 times or 2 dice are thrown once. Both are same. Is it clear? We take it. Okay, one die, if you throw it 2 times and you look at the score. So what are first one will be the first entry, second one will be the second entry. Or what we can do, we can throw 2 dice together. Both are equivalent. Likewise, in tossing a coin, one coin tossed 2 times or 2 coins tossed once. Both are same. Okay, outcomes will be same. As we are having one coin, what we are doing, we are throwing it 2 times and look at the outcome. Okay, is it clear? Any other doubt? Haya? Surya? Melvin, that day we did one question based on probability, tossing of coin and all. Are you present that Saturday? Huh? Okay, when one die is thrown, total outcome is 6. If 2 dice are thrown, total outcome will be 36. Okay, you can draw a table like this and you can fill it. Okay, here we are going to write the total score. Here, this total score. What is the score you will get? 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7. Okay, so like this you can fill the table. If you don't know to calculate it in the mind, what you can do, don't do it by mistake. You can do it. You can draw the table and from this table you can give the answer. 2 plus 1, it is 3, 4, 4. I'm adding these 2, 5. The next is 5. 6 plus 2, it is 8. Now take the next one. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. Again 4. Okay, here it is given total score. We add and write. 5. 5. Next is 8. Again, if you take this 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9. 3 plus 1 is 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9. If you take 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 6 plus 2, 8. Again 8, 9, 9, 12. So total outcome is 36. Now you can answer this one easily. What is the first part asked? What is the total outcome? And what is the second one?
And from this, how we will get 36?
Count here, count and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, okay. Total, how many outcomes you will get? Here it is 6 rows and 6 columns. So 6 into 6, it will be 36.
Yes, ma'am.
Now answer the first part. What is asked? Total number of outcomes. What is the second one? Probability of getting. Second one is probability of getting an even score. So what is the probability of getting even score? Here count and see how many times you will get even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so what is the answer? Is it correct, children? They have included all the numbers. Aditya?
Yes,
So what is the answer? Even score 18 by 36, which is equivalent to 1 by 2. Next one is sum 12. Sum 12. Sum is 12 means only one possibility, isn't it? So 1 out of 36. Next is sum 6. How many times you are getting 6? How many times you get 6?
4.
4 times. So it is 4 by 36, which is 1 by 9. Next is sum at least 6. At least 6 means the sum may be 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. So at least 6 means what does it mean? Sum is 6 or more, isn't it? It may be sum 7. Sum may be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you count and see what are the possibilities. At least 6. At least 6 means 6 or more. What is the answer, Nas Parveen?
Is it 7?
7.
Sorry.
Okay, 6 is allowed, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the possibility? You can
15.
15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. Yes, 15. So answer is 15 by 36. This 15 by 36. Okay. So probability of getting some at least 6 is, at least 6 means 6 or more. So it is 15 by 36. Is it okay, Pratyush, Amina?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next period also will be doing few more questions in probability. Okay, with this we end the session now. Thank you.
Thank you.